In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front splash shield on this Ford Ranger. That's this rubber shield that goes on the fender liner and prevents anything that will splash from the tire and the wheel well area onto the engine. So it's important that this is here. Let's get started. Next, you want to take a trim tool and get it behind here. Just pop all these push clips out. Okay. Well, this push clip didn't want to come out. The shield came off of the push clip. That's fine. We'll fix that in a little bit. Just keep going down the line. Pop all these out. Hopefully the other ones I can save. All right. With all these popped out, there it is. Now let's put back the splash shield. Just line up all the push clips. Push them all back in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.